Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a playground. Let's start drawing Rainbow Playground. Looks like a small house. Draw a ladder here. I'm drawing the roof. Here I'm drawing a bridge. A small house. I'm drawing the roof. Now let's decorate it like this. Draw a slide in a spiral shape. I draw a line here for the floor. Let's color now. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, green, orange. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.